In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. Please note, this should only be done if you have alternative security software installed. First, click the Windows icon and select Settings. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar to find it quickly. In Settings, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see Windows Security. Click to open it. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This will open the Windows Security panel where you can manage your protection settings. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and select Manage Settings. Here, you can toggle off real-time protection. Confirm the prompt by selecting Yes. You may also choose to disable other options like Cloud Delivered Protection, Automatic Sample Submissions, and Tamper Protection. Only do this if you have alternative security measures in place. Once these settings are disabled, Windows Defender will no longer actively protect your PC. Remember, this can leave your system vulnerable to threats. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 safely if you have other protection in place. Thank you for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more tips